Okay guys, what we're looking at here is a little pool job we took over, and the customer is installing the Cuts travertine here. We wanted to redo the audio video that was existing. What we found was kind of surprising here. The cabling in the ground was actually okay, and we were able to install some new episode landscape speakers that really kind of disappear here and match what they have. We were able to install this nice SunBrite TV on an articulating mount so you could pull it off the wall a little bit. But what we found was surprising here was the previous contractor had hung a TV. You can see the holes here that they used, but they actually weren't in a stud. They were just in some plywood, which really is not the way to do it. So we moved this guy, tied it back to an Apple TV. It has our easy to use interface. And a few nice things about this guy is that it's going to turn on and off with this easy to use remote. And the sound now comes through the new and ceiling speakers that we installed here. So what you get is an easy to use system that's very modern and very efficient, impressive.